We will look at how to model a banana in Blender. Go to File, New, General, and we'll delete this slide and tap to edit. Select this, hit the 3 key, E, extrude, move up and rotate, E, rotate and move up. Select this, E, extrude and scale inside, extrude. Now this will go to insert, move it up, extrude, extrude scale. Okay, and then we'll select this and move up. So that's our banana. Go to modify panel, add subdivision surface. You can add some more segments. You can make some unevenness in the mesh. Okay, you can hit the Alt key and select this edge, and then you can go closer if you want. Select this one and move closer, so you get the banana. Now we'll select alternate edges, Shift Alt. Okay, then add some mean crease to it. Go out of object mode and go to object shade smooth so you can see the banana. Now you can select the other ones and change the mean crease of these. Okay, so you get the banana. This thing on top needs to be scaled big. To further add some detail, you can add some edge loop. Okay, then you can spend some more time modeling the banana. So once the banana is modeled, we'll apply the subdivision. We'll go to texture painting, go to vertex paint, and then you can select the yellow color and color the banana. You can increase the brush size. Okay, now if you go to layout, the color disappears. So you can go to shading and add a color attribute. Color attribute goes to base color, and here you select the attribute, and now you get the color. Okay, so we'll continue to texture paint, vertex paint. We will go to paint and then dirt vertex color, then reduce the size of the brush, reduce the strength, Then you can start adding other color to the banana. Okay, then you can find some dirty color, reduce the strength, then add some dirt to the banana. Okay, you can add some green color, and add some green color to the stem, add some green color to the edge of the banana, then select a darker color and further add some more darkness here and here, and you get the idea. You can add some spots if you want, make it really small. Okay, now we go to layout and then shading. Then we'll add a bump map. So shift A, wave, shift A, bump, then color to height, normal to normal. Subsurface, you can also add this color to the subsurface. We'll increase the lines. Then we'll use Control T if you have node wrangler, and then we'll collect the UV to UV. Strength becomes 0.1. Okay, you can add some distortion to the lines. So we have a bump map to our banana and some colors using vertex colors. Okay, so I did it real quick, but you can spend some time to create a good looking banana. Thank you.